Well, let's see. I'm a lifelong Floridian. Grew up mostly on the West Coast. Went to law school over West Coast as well, over at Stetson in St. Pete. My family still lives in the Naples area. I've got three small kids. I actually had a pre-med background going in before I became a lawyer. Go figure. And eventually, when I decided that was not the path to go down, I decided to become a lawyer, and this was the best area for me, in my opinion. Ironically, I went to a law school that was known for being number one in trial advocacy in the state, and being in trials, litigation was not my thing. I like dealing with people, smaller groups, trying to help avoid going to court. So estate planning, probate, trust administration was the area for me, and I'm very glad to be in this area for over 15 years.
Am I correct if I say you got a master's degree? Is that correct?
It's a what's called a Master of Laws degree, which is kind of interesting. When you have a law degree, it's a JD or a Juris Doctor. This is actually a step up. It's a Master of Laws. So the doctor is below the master in this case. But
Wow.
so yeah, it's a specialization. University of Miami School of Law. We work on and we get drilled on ways to minimize taxes and to do it in as effective manner as possible. The way things are these days with the exemptions so high, taxes are not the biggest issue that we deal with estate planning these days. I mean, there's not a lot of clients that are really worth more than $5 million, which is kind of the threshold these days for estate planning.